if you want to uninstall any app on Mac, but when you long press on any app, if they check but there is no option to uninstall them, then in that case watch this video till the end. So there are two ways to delete them. First, go to Finder, go to Applications, and from here you can just select the application and drag it to the bin. Enter any password that you have in your Mac and it will be deleted. But while doing so, your related files will not be deleted from your system. So to free up that space too, you have to go to search under Applications and type the app name and hit return. So from here you will see a plus icon over here. Click on it, click on name, click on other, search for system, and here this will be unchecked. Click on it and click on OK. So after that, click on name and here select system files. Here you will see an option that shows aren't included. Click on it and select to are included. After that, all the files related to that app in our system will be listed over here. You can select them all and drag them to the bin, enter up your password and click on OK. And here are the files that cannot be deleted. It may vary based upon the application, but in most of the cases all the files in your system related to that application will be deleted if you follow this step. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.